everyone, Einat Kessler here with a new video tutorial and a new paper perk. We are at paper perk number 21. I had to take a little break from paper perks, but now I'm back. So we are going to make envelopes today, and I'm going to cut that out and be back. But before that, this is what you get in the paper perk Facebook group. You can go ahead and download this, and these are the envelopes that my supporters get. You can go ahead to Ko-fi and become a supporter and then get this envelopes. You can download this file over there at Ko-fi, so you can go ahead and grab that. So I'm going to cut these and be back. Okay, so I have these cut, and now we can start to assemble them. Now, what I want to do is cut out the center and create a window. So I'm just going to cut that out. You can leave this, or you can attach another piece of paper to it. You can decide whatever you want. That's why I left it blank. So if you want, you can cover it. If you want, you can create a window. So what I want to do is use a parchment. You can use vellum, you can use tracing paper, you can use whatever you want. Let's move that aside. And this is what, see? So it's semi-transparent. So I want to attach that to the inside of my envelope. I always like to attach it by applying glue to the edges and also to the outside of where I want to attach it. This way I'm making sure that it sticks properly. See? So now we can go ahead and let's do this against the background so you can see. So I'm aligning my ruler with the edge, and then I'm going to score. And this way I can fold the sides of my envelope, the bottom and the top. And now I can fold if the vellum is in the way, you can of course cut it smaller, cut it a little big. That's okay. So basically this is the envelope here, and this is the cover. So what we're going to do is fold these inside and then apply glue to the side here. And then fold this like this, and then we have our pretty envelope. Now I want to embellish it, so I'm going to go and get some stuff. Okay, so I have some lace. Okay, So I'm applying glue here. And on the other side, I want the front, the edges to be in the front of the card, so I can hide it with something. Now, I can bring in a flower and hide this. Can add another flower. Depends what you want to do with this envelope. If you want it to be inside, tucked inside something, and you don't want like a mini album or a junk journal, you don't want it to be too bulky. But if you wanted just to like send a happy mail with some things inside, then you can go ahead and do that. Let's do the other one. So I'm going to leave the other one going to leave the window intact just to show you how it will look. So you'll have a sample of both designs. And you can also go, I forgot to tell you, that you can also go to the Ko-fi page and get the 1 to 4 paper perks. They are now available there. You can download it, and if you missed it in the beginning, then you can download it there. So this is the second envelope. This is not straight. Okay. And again here, we can add a little lace or a ribbon, or you can embellish it any way that you want. And the flower. This is a larger flower, but again, and here you can write something on both of the envelope. You can add whatever embellishments you want to add. So go ahead to the Facebook group and download the Printable, the free paper perk, and visit the Ko-fi page to get the extra printable and the 1 to 4 paper perks that are already there. So thank you very much for joining me, and I will see you next time.